Pandabuy Points can be effectively utilized for discounts on purchases. Begin by logging into your Pandabuy account and exploring the available product range. Upon selecting desired items, proceed to the checkout phase. It's important to ensure you possess an adequate points balance in your account. During the payment process, opt for the Use Pandabuy Points option. The system will then exhibit the corresponding point value, allowing you to decide the quantity of points you wish to redeem. Remember that each point carries a specific monetary worth. After confirming your choice, the designated point value will be subtracted from your total purchase amount. In case your points fall short, you have the option to combine them with another payment method to complete the transaction. For a clear overview, monitor your point balance within your account settings. Pandabuy Points serve as a mechanism to access cost savings on preferred products, fostering customer loyalty. Stay updated on your point balance and eligible items to optimize your shopping experience. By capitalizing on Pandabuy Points, you can maximize benefits while making purchases.